Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone unavailable with no erase option. You can check for solutions here. Way 1. Unlock an unavailable iPhone with iPhone Passcode Genius. First, you should get iTunes installed on the computer. Share iPhone Passcode Genius is designed to remove iPhone's multiple types of lock screen. It can help to fix the iPhone's unavailable screen and reset it to factory settings. Just download it on the official website, then install it on the computer. Now open the software. Click the Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the iPhone unavailable screen. Just wait a minute, your iPhone's unavailable screen disappears. Congratulations! Way to fix iPhone unavailable no erase option via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you to update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. OK, agree on the terms. Well, iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restoring the iPhone to factory settings. Alright, your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. It restarts on the Hello screen. That is to say, the iPhone's unavailable screen is fixed. Way 3. Fix iPhone unavailable no erase option via iCloud. Before we go, the Find My iPhone function should be enabled on the unavailable iPhone. Get any device and sign into iCloud.com. Sometimes, you may encounter the two-factor authentication during the login process. OK, click the Find My option. Enter your Apple ID and password again. Well, select the unavailable iPhone. Click the Erase this device option. Hit the Next button. Enter the Apple password to continue. Hit the Next and then the Erase button. Alright, you will get an erased iPhone in the end. Way for fix iPhone unavailable no erase option via Find My app. Get another available iPhone or iPad. Open the Find My app. Then sign in your Apple. OK, select your locked iPhone from the list. Swipe up and click on the Erase this device option. Tap the Continue button. Tap Erase on the top right corner. OK, enter the Apple password. See, the unavailable iPhone is being erased. Now you can set up the iPhone in your preference. That's all for the video.